Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the next chapter, metals. Metals are opaque, lustrous elements, that means shining elements that are good conductors of heat and electricity. This chapter enables to understand the physical properties of the metals and their uses and also the reasons behind their properties. The discovery of metals and their use has minimized the workload of man, and revolutionary changes occurred in agriculture and industry through the production of new equipments. The metals such as iron, copper, aluminum, gold, and silver are used in our daily life. Some of the metals occur as compounds and others are occurred as free in our nature. Pictures of some metals are given in the beginning of this chapter in your textbook. Observe that. Let us discuss the uses of some of them. The first one is iron. It is used in furnitures. It is used as parts of machines. It is used in utensils. It is used as work implements, and it is also used as conducting wires. Next is aluminum. Aluminum is used for making ornaments. It is used as packing foils, and it is used as roofs and also used as reflectors, and it is also used as a component in crackers. Next is gold. We already know that gold is mostly used for making ornaments and for gold plating, electroplating. Copper is used for making roofs, and it is also used in electronic circuits. Next is zinc. Zinc is used in dry cells. It is used to make a coating for preventing corrosion of iron. It is also called galvanizing. Students, how do you know whether an object is made of metal? Yes, by testing its hardness, by heating, by testing its electrical conductivity, etc., we know that an object is made of metal or not. Next, we are going to discuss about the characteristics of metals. Malleability. Malleability means metals can be beaten into thin sheets by hammering. This property is known as malleability. Malleability of aluminum foil is used to wrap chocolates and sweets. Let us discuss some instances where malleability of metals is used. Making of roofing sheets, for making ornaments, for packing food items, making of chocolate wrappers, making window pane. These are the situations we used the property malleability of metal. The next property of metal is ductility. Ductility means metals can be drawn into thin, fine wires. This property is known as ductility. The filaments of electric bulbs are made of fine wires of tungsten. Tungsten can be drawn into fine wires. That is why it is used to make the filament. Do you know which is the most ductile metal? Platinum is the most ductile metal. Due to the high ductility, metals like copper, gold, etc. are used as thin fine wires. The next characteristic property of metal is its hardness. Sodium can be easily cut into small pieces because sodium metal is soft, but iron, aluminium and copper cannot be cut with blade due to its hardness. Metals are generally hard, but all metals are not equally hard, although the hardness varies from one metal to another. So students, let's summarize our today's session. Today we discussed about metals and their uses and its characteristics, malleability, ductility and hardness. That's all for today. Thank you.